Running out of space on your Windows PC? There's a built-in tool that can automatically clean up junk files and free up that space for you. It's called StorageSense, and in this video, I'll show you what it is, how to set it up, and a few ways that you can use it to keep your PC running smoothly. First of all, StorageSense is a Windows feature that automatically deletes unnecessary files, like temporary files, items in your recycling bin, and old downloads to help free up space. Instead of manually clearing the storage every time you're running low, StorageSense does it for you on a schedule that you choose. It's like having a digital housekeeper for your hard drive, and here's how you set it up. So I've already showed you how to navigate to it. You go to Start, Settings, System, and Storage. And then you should see it right here, a toggle where you can turn it on or off. And if you click the actual button, you get to adjust your settings. The cool thing about StorageSense is how customizable it is. You can choose the frequency at which it runs, every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space, which I'm actually going to set up now. You can choose when the recycling bin files are deleted, every 14 days for me. You can delete files in your download folder if they haven't been opened for a while. Now, I don't recommend this because sometimes you just keep files because there's something that you need, and you don't want them to just be gone without you knowing where they went because StorageSense deleted them. You can also configure things like locally available cloud contents. If your phone's connected, you can manage that. You can manage your OneDrive folders as well. And you can also click Run StorageSense Now to go ahead and take care of things right away. And just like that, you've cleaned up some space on your disk. StorageSense is incredibly easy to set up and intuitive to use, and it's great for a variety of things, not just freeing up space once a month or every few days. Like specifically, if you have a computer like this that has a small SSD, running StorageSense daily or weekly helps keep that drive from filling up. If you've just finished a large project, like a big video or something involving a lot of photo files, you can run it manually to clear up those leftover temporary files. On a shared computer, it helps prevent the drive from getting cluttered with old files from multiple users. And gamers can even use it to delete temporary installation files and keep their load times fast. And that's it. StorageSense is a simple way to keep your PC free of clutter and running efficiently. Turn it on once, set your preferences, and let Windows handle the cleanup for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below with some more things you want to learn about. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching!